Today I'll be giving a demonstration of how to get started with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot, which means it's a computer program that can carry on a conversation with you. It uses artificial intelligence to understand your words and come up with replies that make sense. You can ask it to explain things, write letters, help with recipes, or answer questions just by typing like you would in an email. With a program like ChatGPT, you need to understand one key term, and that is a prompt. This is what you type or say to the chatbot. It can be a sentence or a question, even a few paragraphs. Think of it like giving directions to a helpful assistant. For example, if you say, "Write a letter to my granddaughter," that's a prompt. The clearer you are, the better the result. From your browser, type in chatgpt.com to access the program. Now type in your prompt. Hit enter. ChatGPT responds with information and ends with a question. If I respond to the question, the chatbot then responds with more targeted information. The interaction on my screen represents a conversation or thread, and it's transitory, remaining only as long as my browser stays open. Tune in for the next video that shows you the benefits of having a ChatGPT account. Thanks for joining.